Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? Today we will start a new topic, that is multiplication. If you look at your booklet on page number 33, I have given you tables of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and the question is learn and write the tables. So you have to learn and write the tables from 2 to 7. And in this video I'm telling you that you have to learn and write the tables. You will start from 2. You have done it 2, 3, 4 and 5 you have done in your class 1, but just for revision you will start from table of 2. So write and learn table of 2 or 2 times table, 3 times table, 4 times table. Similarly 5 times table, 6 times table, 7 times table and 8 and 9 times table 2. You have to write 8, 9 and 10 times table in your notebook, and you also have to learn the tables. Now in your booklet on page number 34 I have given you multiplication horizontal form. If you look at your maths book on page number 54, there is an exercise of multiplication in horizontal form. So you have to solve first your booklet on page number 34. There is a multiplication in horizontal form. First one is 7 multiplied by 2 equals to, and here you have to do your tables, like 7 times 2 equals to 14. 7 ones are 7, or 1 times 7 equals to 7. 9 times 2 equals to 18, or 2 times 9 equals to 18. 5 times 1 equals to 5, or 1 times 5 equals to 5. 8 times 2 equals to 16, or 2 times 8 equals to 16. 4 times 8 equals to 32, or 8 times 4 equals to 32. 6 times 6 equals to 36, or the answer would be the same. So in this way you have to, you see here I have given you the multiplication of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have to learn the tables from 2 to 10. Then you can easily solve this page. You have to solve the multiplication exercise of multiplication given in your book on page number 54. So you have to do the sums of multiplication or multiplication given in your book on page number 54. Now this is multiplication in vertical form. The procedure is same. Question is fill in the missing numbers. One has been done for you. Like here you will say the tables, like 3 8s are 3 7s are 28, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24. Similarly there are some boxes and the digits are missing. You'll have to find the digits, like how many times 7 equals to 21. So you know 3 times 7 equals to 21. So in this box you will write 3. Similarly, how many times 5 equals to 30? You know 5 6 are 30. So here in this box you will write 6. Again, how many times 5 equals to 20? So you will write 5 fours are 20. So our 4 times 5 equals to 20. In this box the missing digit is 4. Similarly, how many times 9 equals to 27? So 3 times 9 equals to 27. So you will write 3. Similarly, how many times 5 equals to 40? So 8 times 5 equals to 40. You will write 8 in the box. How many times 4 equals to 28? So 7 times 4 equals to 28. You will write 7. How many times 9 equals to 27? So 3 times 9 equals to 27. And 2 times 8 equals to 16. Note at the end of this lesson is do all the sums given on page number 55 and 56 in your textbook. So you'll have to solve these sums of multiplication in your booklet and in your book too.